Itataguyod ko ang saligang batas ng partido.
The reason that we are having these meetings is that we are trying to start to organize ourselves for the next election of next year. And as we know, kagaya ng mga lagi nating naririnig at siguro naging experience na rin natin, you cannot start too early for any election. And so we have begun. And what we have done is we have put together, we have reorganized the PFP so that in such a way to make our party ready for the upcoming elections in 2025. Noong nakaraang eleksyon, ang ating ipinaglaban, ang ating pinagsisigaw ay yung pagkakaisa. At maganda naman, yung kung ganun ang ating naging mensahe, mukhang maganda naman dahil tinanggap ng Pilipino yan. Kaya't napakaganda nung naging resulta sa ating mga kasama. Ngayon, sa aking palagay, yun pa rin ang hinahanap ng mga Pilipino. At kaya't hindi naman sa sinasabi natin that we want to dominate the entire political scenery. But what we need to do is not to dominate anything. But what we need to do is to be able to bring onto the fold all the different elements of society, all the different elements of the political the political structure, so that we are all working together.